Hi everyone, Angela here. Do you have two single beds that you would like to turn into a king size? I have two mattresses that measure 75 inches long, so I bought a separating zipper that measures 60 inches long to connect them together. Center the closed zipper along one edge. Mark about 3 inches up from the end of the zipper across the edges of both mattresses and across the zipper tape. Also mark across 3 inches down from the top of the zipper, and then mark across the center as well. Next, separate the zipper. For this project, you'll need some pins, a pair of clippers or scissors, some strong top stitch or upholstery thread, a long sharp needle with a large eye, and also a small pair of needle nose pliers. Place the right side of the zipper to the side edge of the mattress, matching up the marks, and pin in place. The zipper teeth should line up with the top edge of the binding. Continue pinning across the entire zipper and also on the other mattress. Thread your needle so that you have a double thread about as long as your arm, and then tie a knot at the end. The stitching doesn't start from the ends of the zipper, but starts and stops from the marks. If you look closely at the zipper tape, there's a woven line right in the center where we'll be stitching. At the mark, push your needle through the center and then through the stitching of the piping. If you need to, use the pliers to push the needle through and then pull the thread. Stitch through a few times in the same spot so that it's strong. You might notice that I'm using a reversible zipper. Just use a normal separating zipper. Continue with a running stitch so that each stitch is about 1/4 of an inch long. Continue to check that you're stitching through the center of the zipper tape and through the stitch line of the binding. If the fabric's nice and soft, you won't need the pliers at all. When you get close to the end of your thread, stitch through the tape to create a loop, stitch in between, and pull through to make a knot. Depending on the fabric and your sewing skills, this project might take about a couple of hours to complete. Once done, just zip together and push the ends down in between the mattresses. So that you don't feel the ridges in the center, you can cover it with a mattress topper before making the bed. Thanks again for watching, and happy sewing!